can stay under there any longer.
Hold on, let's fix your goggles. Okay, you gonna go swim with Juju?
Good job.
What should I do? Nothing?
No, you can do the same thing. Hi.
Okay, ready?
Here he comes, Juju.
Okay, I'm ready.
Doing him to you.
You're funny. I want to get a couple of you jumping in to Mom. I didn't get the last one because it took you so long to jump in.
Mommy, can you put me up?
Sure.
Okay, when you start running, I'll go underwater.
Go!
That's good.
You want to go down and wave to Juju? Good job.
Do a hand.
Okay, Juju, Jackie's ready. You waving?
Juju!
I saw him
You
waving.
want to see like the cop? You have to take a picture of a big cannonball.
Okay, I want to definitely go over there. When you get over there, tell me when you're ready and I'll swim over, okay?
Here goes. Big, show Juju big arms. Go.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Good swimming.
Swim underwater to Juju. Swim under. Here he comes, Juju.
Okay. Here we go. I'm okay. Anytime. Good job. Do it again to make sure I got it.
Jackie, Juju.
Uh-oh. Here he comes.
Go underwater. Look at Juju. Go. What's he doing?
Waving and swimming.
Okay, swim back. There you go.
Okay. Hey, I know. Why don't you two do bun busters underwater?
Oh, yeah. Okay, here comes Jackie, Juju.
Here it goes. You look like you're trying to swat Sammy.
Okay, ready to go. Get your butt busters.
Okay, I'm ready.
Ready, set,
Go.
go.
That was a good one.
Here comes Jackie. Watch him
Oh,
underwater.
no, here it comes. Good swimming, guys.
Look at Jackie floating. Good, Juju. You don't want to float for her? Go, you kiss underwater?
I was waiting for that kiss underwater.
What are you going to tell her? What do you want to tell Sammy? Let's do kiss underwater.
Three of you?
Okay,
Okay,
put the
here we
goggles
go.
down.
Here we go.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, I'll go under first.
Here it comes. Hey, you forgot about me, guys.
Oh, whoops. Let's try this again.
Okay,
Hey, I know. Why don't both of you give Mommy a kiss on the cheek?
1, 2, 3.
Oops.
You're kissing Sammy again. What about Mom?
You're supposed to kiss Mommy on this cheek, and Sammy's going to kiss Mommy on that cheek. Yeah.
No kisses for mommy. Fine, Gigi, ready to go underwater. Of course a kiss.
You stinker. Look at you. You're a good swimmer. Go get mom.
Here comes Sammy. Hey, you come.
You're starting trouble with me underwater, I could tell.
I'm going to hot tub you.
Get Zach. You're okay. I know.
Oh, sorry. I thought he was above water. You swam on top of Mommy. Mommy couldn't get out of water and get to Zachy. Well, you're okay.
You're okay. You just got a little kiss. What if I kiss you?
You weirdo. Here she goes.